Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. We need half bowl of poha. Wash it with normal water. Add some salt to it, mix it and keep it aside. Next we need onions, green chili, coriander leaves, lemon, handful of peanuts, boiled potatoes. To begin, we will roast our peanuts. Roast for 3 to 4 minutes until the color changes into golden brown. Keep them aside. Now heat some oil, add cumin seeds and wait it turn golden brown. Add chopped onions. When color changes, add green chilies. Mix them. Adding boiled potatoes. Roasted peanuts. Add salt as per taste. Turmeric powder. Put poha now. Do this process on the low flame. Now add chaat masala. Finally garnish it with coriander leaves and lemon juice. And our easy peasy poha recipe is ready. Serve it hot. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.